Stop scrolling for a second and hold it. If this method didn't work, unsubscribe me and never watch my tutorial later. If you have searched how to use Claude Opus for free, you probably watched a dozen of video claiming it's free only for discover, strict limit, hidden paywall, or website that stop working after a few days. But what if I told you that today I am going to show you the legitimate way to access all the Claude Opus and Sonnet model. Along with this, you can also use the ChatGPT model and Gemini model directly through the GitLab, not from other, with a free 1-month trial and unlimited. No shady website, no API key, no credit card, no complicated setup. And the best part, you can start using this powerful AI model in your project within a minute. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete setup process step by step, show you exactly where to access this model. I will also demonstrate how to use them for coding, development, and AI assistance workflow. Then let's start it. You can see this is the way that I have used GitLab. Everyone can trust this platform. GitLab is the one of the trusted platform just like GitHub. Wait, I'll show you from the scratch. You love my previous 2-3 video about using AI model, but some of them are comment out it. The setup process is too much complicated. Now this website is not more available. Every time I'll make you clear that everything, it will be good or it will be bad. In this video, I'll mention NVIDIA name chip will be provide you the all API, but it will be slow. If you watch my complete tutorial, then I have mentioned it here. And during this video, I have also mentioned that you can use Claude model. At the same time, I'll also mention, I don't know how much time it will be available, but this method is currently not available, and Minimax model is also not available in open code. Then we need some alternative where we can use all the Claude model. If you can see Claude Sonnet 4.0, 4.5 powered by Anthropic, and Sonnet 4.6, Opus 4.5, Opus 4.7, 4.8 powered by Anthropic, and at the same time you can also get access of Gemini 3.5 Flash and GPT 5.1 powered by OpenAI 5.1, 5.2, 3 with the latest 5.5 model. Then, without wasting time, let's start how you can use this all. I'll open the new account from here and show you each and every process. Go to the gitlab.com. This is the landing page of the GitLab website. If you go to the GitLab website, then you can easily land it here. And one thing I will mention it, you can't watch complete tutorial and then you have comment out that this method is not work, this guy is idiot, something else. Watch the complete tutorial. I will mention each and every things. In some case, if you have missed single steps, then the whole process is not working. But in this today's video, there is no any complicated way. Directly click the get free trial. There will be the 3 way to create the account. One is using your email username, second will be using GitHub account, and third will be Google. I'll always prefer to use Google, which is easy. I'll continue with Google account. If you want, you can continue with other account as well. Process will be same. Continue. It can mention you must confirm your email within 3 days of sign up, otherwise your account will be expired. We'll confirm right here right now. See, GitLab provide us the verification code. Copy this code and provide it here and verify email address. Now email will be verified and it will redirect to the home screen. Before home screen, it will ask your role. Choose anyone. It will be not a matter. Person, what your any reason, a different reason. I'll select my area, Nepal, company, new company, and continue to GitLab. Now GitLab account will be officially created. Someone didn't have passion to watch the complete video. If this video is 2 minutes, 3 minutes, doesn't matter. Start from here and comment out that this method is not working. If you can see method is not working, I'm sorry. You don't have the GitLab Duo subscription required to use. That's why I'll mention in each video you need the passion and watch the complete video. Then go to the settings section here and click this general. After that, GitLab is open the new chat. From here you can use it. And another thing, it will clearly mention that GitLab unlimited trial and it will be for 30 days. If you want, you can upgrade it. Otherwise, you until 30 days you can easily use it from one account. Use it, explore it. Let's start to talk high. And another important thing is it is very quick. It didn't take too much time to respond. How are you? You can see it will respond too fast, and it will provide many model. You can explore each and every model if you want. Claude Sonnet 4.6, powered by Anthropic and some other, Claude Opus, Gemini 3.5, ChatGPT 5.1, every model will be available here. And it will be the two way to use it. When you ask something, create the simple to-do app, then it will be the two way to run it. It will ask, create the branch and I'll commit it. From there you can use it, or I'll give you the code, copy it from here and paste it in your editor, use it from there. Okay, any way that you are comfortable. Just like create a one complete to-do app using HTML, CSS and JS. Now it start to working. If you can see, it will already start working. Commit and push to repo. If you want to commit, then approve it. If you didn't want to commit, you directly need the code, then deny it, and it will ask to reason. I only need a code, then it will directly give you the code here. Copy it, paste it on your favorite editor. Here if you can see, I have committed it because there are the multiple files. That's why I'll committed it, and here you can see I have already using it and I have already more 6 commit. And if you can see it, I'll already chatted from long time, not many days. I'll create this account 2 days, but I have already asked it the many question. You can see the output of this code. This is the code and this is the output. It will fully working. It will full of animation, fully loaded, and it will provide many feature. Progress bar at the top, animation simple. I'm not a web developer. I didn't have too much idea how to create the perfect website, but for the sample and for today's video purpose, I'll create this website for you and I'll demonstrate you can easily create this type of website. Here is the all about section, academic section, gallery. From here you can contact. It will create the contact form. It will also create the admission inquiry form. If you create the home, it will show the loading WTF school, and every time it will show animation. By this way you can easily use GitLab unlimited for 1 month from one account. You can see I'll deny it and I'll say give me the direct code, give me the code only, I don't want to commit it, and deny it. Then it will give you the code instead of creating repo. You can see now it will directly give the code here. From here you can copy this code. This will be the one way that I have demonstrated you, and this will be the another way. It will create the repo and it will commit it. If you have changed anything, then it will be reflect on the merge it and update it in your editor, or copy the code from the file that will be changed. Okay, that's it for today's video.